DJI Pocket 4. Quick unboxing here. There's a few of these out on the internet, so I'm not going to be super crazy about it. That did not much of anything. Yeah. I think that's all that does. Just open up the top. Top or bottom. There you go. This is just the standard combo. We got in there. So some stickers. And probably the quick start guide. In a bag. Tag on that. So a little carry bag with it. And that's some components in there. And that's the camera. Okay, so what's in this little piece here? Little snap. Okay, so this is the adapter, plugs in the USB-C and gives you your Q20 connection. So you can hook it up to tripods and all that kind of fun stuff. So super light, not much to it. I don't know if it's just a pass-through on the USB-C there. It just kind of clips in. The other accessory in here, what do we got in here? A little lanyard and USB-C to C cable. Power, I don't know if it does data, hopefully it does. And then just a little case. So yeah. The Pocket 4 does not have the little hard case that goes around the camera, like the Pocket 3 came with. But there is a little adapter thing that goes over and kind of protects the gimbal so it doesn't get banged around. Okay. Little device, little covering on the screen. Little joystick, stands out a little bit more than what's on the 3. Yeah, this is the little adapter thing here that's on there. It's supposed to turn this way to pop off. Yeah, there we go. So that pops off. When that's on, it prevents the gimbal from moving around, but it also prevents you from turning the screen from the looks of it. Yeah. Yeah, so you can't just accidentally turn it on. It doesn't protect the screen or nothing like that, but does keep it from turning on in a bag, I suppose. So that just pops off easy like that. Give it a little spin. Oh, it woke up. There we go. Okay, I suppose I should take this little cover off. Yeah, so to set this all up. Static. There we go. English. Okay, so I'll have to do all that kind of stuff and just kind of get that all set up afterwards, make sure it's all registered and that kind of stuff. But yeah, snap. And there we go, shuts off. All right, so I'm gonna go make sure it's charged, and then I'm gonna do all the syncing and start playing with it. And then the next thing I want to check out is if I can get the Hollyland, which is currently plugged into my phone. If I can get that Hollyland mic set working on here, putting the receiver in down in the USB here. Yeah, do some charging. One sucky thing with the extender on to be able to let you do the Q20, the camera won't fit in the bag. You got to take that off every time you go to put the thing in the bag. That sucks. Okay. So I've got the Hollyland Mark II on there. Is it visible? Yeah. Picking up the wind. Like I can tap on it and see that it's doing it.